you know what the real kick here about this is? That 53% of the children in our prisons have a mental health problem, a diagnosed mental health illness. 61% of the men in our prisons have a mental health illness. And 65% of the women in our prisons have mental health illnesses. So if someone was to say to me, Fiona, the solution is to stop building more prisons, to stop sending non-violent offenders to jail, I'd probably say, well, that would be very brave of you, because I suspect that the other side, whichever side of this chamber would suggest that, the other side would howl them down.
Hey guys, so in my previous video, I accidentally said the sex party instead of saying family first. And with that, I ended up having a few people pointing that out, so I just thought I'd address it. But it is a blessing in disguise, because I decided to watch a few videos, I watched a debate and two, and I stumbled upon this. And so I figured that since my father, I've mentioned in a few previous videos that my father went to prison, and when he came out, he had some severe mental illness, which ended up leading to his suicide. So basically, with all that, there's a lot of issues with our prison system and our mental health, which I've gone over in videos before, but I figured that this might be worth bringing up now as well. I know that everybody's focused on the Friendly Geordies versus John Barilaro case, but I figured while I've got a lot of people watching my channel, even though I'm not a big YouTuber, I figured it would be worth mentioning this stuff as well, because I feel like it is something really important. So I guess that's all I have to say on the matter, but please look into this stuff as well, because these things, like, I feel like that if we all start looking into these little bits and picking out parts of the government that we've seen that are very interesting and parts that are negative and talking about it, then hopefully as a group of people we could help fix anything that's in our society. So that's all.